guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 10 of my 12 days of planning, and in this video I am doing my last page and I am creating my holiday bucket list. I have not decorated up here because I wanted to do that kind of like last. I've been thinking on it for like a long time, so anyways, you will see that later, but this is going to be my holiday bucket list. It's just kind of like those fun things that I want to make sure that I do. I want to make it cute, and I'm going to be using this winter book, and I'm using these. I'm going to try my best to make them kind of like ornaments, so we'll see. I don't always have the best faith in myself, but you know, let's just go ahead and start. So I was also thinking that I could do some pretty similar ones with these. I just don't know how much room I would have, so we will just kind of see once I start sticking them down. So you might be thinking that, you know, this is like super big, so, you know, I'm not going to have many things to write down, but the thing is, I don't know, this year, because this is just for 2021, this year, we really haven't done much. Like, we don't live where we used to live anymore, and so we really don't have people around, so when we go to visit all of our family, like for Christmas and stuff, that's pretty much when we're going to do like fun things, you know, like drinking hot cocoa and watching Christmas movies, stuff like that. So, you know, I don't need to put like tons of things, if that makes sense. So let's see. I think I could add some other ones in here. I just don't want it to look completely different. So if no, it would look completely different. So I'll just keep it like this. Let's see, straight down. And then this one, I'm going to pretend like it's straight down too, but it's going to be more behind, you know. Let's see if there's any in here, because pretty much all of these Christmas books have a page. See, like stuff like this: Build a Snowman, Go Ice Skating, and Secret Santa. So those are the three that I have not used out of here, but I wouldn't be doing any of those. It's not like I have to do them, but it just, I kind of want them to be more realistic, I guess. I don't know. I don't always do that, but I just kind of want to do it this year, you know? Okay, there's also some in here in the Homebody Seasonal. So, enjoy drinking hot cocoa. I know for sure that we're going to do, but if we're going to do it, I also really want to put it in my planner, you know? So, yeah. But it is gold, so let's see. Stay cozy, wrap gifts. And this one, oh, make an ornament, ice skating, holiday happy dance off. That's funny. Hang mistletoe, decorate the tree, read by the fire, wrap gifts. Go see holiday lights. I want to put on here, but you know, obviously I can't put that sticker on here. So hang the stockings, listen to old holiday tunes. I can put this on here, like kind of down there. Those will be like extra ones, which I don't mind. Oh, I can also put one of these Santa stickers that's coming up that I was bummed the other day that I hadn't used yet, right here. I can put him on here. Yeah, I'll use this one. Oh, let's make a gingerbread house. I think I can put this on here because we are going to do that, like for sure. That's actually cute that it's inside of it. I like it. Okay, let's keep looking. I still have more, trust me. One of the videos initially was going to be me flipping through all of the Christmas sticker books, but I nixed that idea, so now I'm pretty much doing it on here. See, Christmas lights, look, yes. Okay, and I think I'm actually going to write it in this year of like when we did it, so do that. I have a feeling I'm going to find it in here. Let's see. There's a lot of bucket list things on here. Like holiday market, cookies for Santa, making memories, trim the tree, advent calendar, stuff like that. And then there's here, I know I could write it, which is definitely an option, but I have stickers and I want to use them. So family photo, holiday market, mail holiday cards, order holiday cards, cookie exchange, guest list, home for the holidays, family, that's a good one. Okay, so which one? Now I don't even remember what I was going to go back to. Wrapping presents, leave out cookies and milk, let it snow, visit Santa. I guess, you know, if I really wanted to, I could put the one that was in here. Like, you know, Secret Santa, but we're not doing Secret Santa. So I don't know if I really want to do that. Let's go sledding, let's get cozy. Let's look in here, because there were some that I could possibly use. I'm so weird about my stickers, like I want to use them, but at the same time I want to hoard them. I could put, let's put gift exchange. You know, like, let's do it. Because there's other gift exchange ones that I can use too. Okay, so those are the three, okay? Those are like the main ones. And then we're also gonna bake holiday cookies. Because we're going, when we go back, one of the Like we go see my mom, of course, my dad, and then my husband's mom, she has a daughter and she's 9. And so we're gonna do a gingerbread house and bake cookies, you know, like kid stuff with her. Okay. Now I want to label the page. So I could do, I have a lot of letter options. I have these red, these silver. No letters in there. Okay, so this is in teacher, and I'm gonna do this. I'm going to cut this apart because holiday break is just not, I'll probably never be able to use that. So really any of these, like class pictures, science fair, stuff like that. So if I cut them apart, then I'm actually able to use some, you know? So I'm gonna put holiday, and then I'm going to spell out the word bucket, and then I'm going to find the word list, which I feel like I should do it with these. I feel like I can find the word list with my Kelva Plan stickers. This has seriously been so much fun, and I really hope that you guys have been enjoying. I've really been enjoying reading your comments and stuff of different things that you guys think, and you know, maybe traditions of you guys, stuff like that. It's been so much fun. This is definitely going to be a tradition for me to do 12 days of planning. All right, and now let's find the word list. Here are my words, and at the back I have Kelva Plan stuff. I think I have the word list, and I'm almost positive about it, so let's see. Okay, I'm going to cut this because reading list, I don't read like really at all. I just don't. So there was a lot of other ones that I could cut off, but like packing list, checklist, wish list, but those are all things that I could possibly use later on. So I was really holding out to find something like this where I could cut, and it's not going to make a difference because I'm not going to use reading list either. Yay, now look at this. Holiday bucket list. Perfect. I got these out of this book. So this is how I'm going to jazz up the page ever so slightly. Nothing too crazy. It's actually like probably the most plain thing that I've done thus far. But I think it's good for me to do different things because I am definitely a creature of habit, which there's nothing wrong with, but it's also refreshing sometimes to do things that I don't normally do or make things that I don't normally make. All right, so that is my little bucket list. Tiny, tiny, tiny. I'm gonna bake cookies, gonna build a gingerbread house, gonna go see some lights, and gonna give some gifts. And that's it. Nothing too crazy. All right, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow for day 11. Bye, guys.